If you're looking for local history, the place to go is the Fort Bend Museum. And if you have children looking for something to do, well, they've got that covered too.
This is our first day of our Summer History Fridays. So every Friday in July, we are doing different activities, different themes. So today it's dreamers and innovators and inventions. So we are talking about Marie Curie, the Wright brothers, Katherine Johnson. But each week will be a different theme. So next week is Gone to Texas. The next week is going to be Fort Bend County's Believe It or Not, so some of the mysteries and more interesting facts about our county. And the last week is the awesome history of superheroes. So we're going to be making comics, we're going to be testing our superhero skills, and we even have a villain's lair if you dare. So it's just really fun. It's history, but it's hands-on, and kids really are going to have a great time.
They are different sizes. Are they going to hit the ground at the same time, right? So you guys get to pick two objects that you think will kind of be a little bit different to test.
So today, since we're talking about science and innovators and inventions, we are making paper airplanes, and we're testing them out like the Wright brothers. We're making green radioactive slimes in honor of Marie Curie.
Some of this if you want to make it glow in the dark. You can add some glitter. What do you think? So this is how I'm making the blue slime. Let's do this.
We are coding and sending astronauts into space just like Katherine Johnson.
You need more obstacles. Here's scissors. What about you, sweetie?
We have strawberry DNA and just so much more. So lots of fun activities going on. Yes, that's strawberry DNA. Cool. If you want to look at it, you've got
Here we go.
Yep. If you need more information, you can visit our website, www.fortbendmuseum.org, or you can call us at 281-342-6478. I just think it's a great way to get kids excited about learning history in a fun and hands-on way with games and activities and crafts. And so they're gonna learn a lot, but they're gonna have fun doing it.
For Great American Pastimes, this is Randall Williams.